It's a Chinese dish today with rice. It's special because it's self-harvested from the fish pan, self-prepared, frozen, and self-imported to Europe. So we're cooking them frozen. It is fish with Tausi here on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Please join me for some learning and fun. Hello, how are you today? Romulo here and welcome to my kitchen. As you heard in the intro, we're cooking a Chinese food today. It's with Tausi. It is milkfish, Bangus with Tausi. And we are featuring the Bangus that I fried in the Philippines and I brought here in Europe frozen. And there's a story to this Bangus because we went all the way to the sea, visit fish pens where this were cultured. There's a clip on that. But first, on our dish today, how about showing you first how I prep these simple ingredients? Julienne ginger, 1 small onion, chopped or just into strips, your call, express yourself. My proven easiest way to mince garlic, just crush it first and then mince it with a knife. No other tools needed. And tomatoes, chopped as fine as possible. And voila! We are ready for our dish. Bangus with Tausi, featuring our frozen bangus. That means that you can prepare beforehand your fish here and just make the sauce later, as we're doing today. Let's start. While the oil heats up, I'll show you the rest of the ingredients. Nothing new. Ginger, onion, garlic, and tomato. 2 tomatoes. We also need, of course, Tausi, as I mentioned, for the umami flavor, patis. The oil is now hot. We can start. If you notice, I put the ginger and the onion at the same time. Sometimes it doesn't matter. The order doesn't matter that much. Or doesn't matter at all.
That was the ginger. Oh, that was the garlic.
That was the garlic that I added next. It doesn't hurt to add the patis now. Not much because the Tausi is salty. We don't want it to be extra salty. And the water. I got the Tausi from the supermarket, and it's the dried form, not from the tin. So I soak it in hot water first, and I'll drain it. Look how I carefully seal this fried bangus. They pass the customs. If this was freshly fried, it would take just 3 minutes to cook this, but since this is frozen, it will take more time. Around 5 minutes, I think, until the fish has thawed and cooked. As I said earlier, I'm not using the canned Tausi, but the dried form. I think it's more economical than the canned form. And while this cooks, I'd like to bring you to the place, to the sea, where this bangus grew up and harvested. And we're back to our dish. This should be cooked now. Look at this. Look at this plating. Jara. Ooh, it's hot. I miss home. It's really delicious. It's a new dish to me, cooking with Tausi, but I think I like it. It was easy. I would do this more often. Just addition of Tausi. So, level up your fried bangus. Not just sweet and sour, salciado, this time with Tausi, the Chinese style. Thank you for joining me here today on Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. I'd like to see you more often as we bring you more about growing, cooking, and sharing. Until next time.